And here you go. As you can see, here is a somewhat, shall we say, poor version of Elon Musk chilling in his room. Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up DeepLiveCam, a powerful tool for real-time face swapping. With DeepLiveCam, you can transform your face during live videos, making it perfect for creating projects or just having fun. We're going to walk through the entire setup process, starting with installing Chocolatey and the other essential tools. So here, as you can see in the documentation, we need to install Python, the version 3.10, then pip, then git. After that, we need to install FFmpeg, and lastly, Visual Studio 2022 runtimes. So let's start by installing Chocolatey. Just go to Google and enter Chocolatey. Okay, then click on installing Chocolatey. Great. After that, you will grab this command by clicking here, and we'll open our PowerShell with Windows X buttons. Then click on Terminal Admin. Here we go. So here we will paste our command and hit enter. Let's wait for the installation. Okay, everything is good. Let's make sure it's installed properly. Type Choco and hit enter. If everything is working, you should see a list of commands and the Chocolatey version number. Great. After that, we need to install Python 3.10, which is the recommended version for DeepLiveCam. So we write here Choco, then install Python --version equals 3.10 and hit enter. Okay, you'll be prompted to confirm a few times, so just type Y each time and hit enter. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's clear our screen and let's check if Python is installed correctly. Just type Python --version and hit enter. Okay, now we have Python installed. Now let's move on to Git. Git is a version control tool that we'll use to download DeepLiveCam from GitHub. To install it, type the following in PowerShell: Choco install git and hit enter. Okay, once it's installed, let's check if it's installed correctly. Just type git --version. Let's open a new tab here. Git version. And you can see the Git is installed correctly. Next, let's install FFmpeg. Same thing. Choco install FFmpeg and enter. Y okay, let's check it here. FFmpeg --version and enter. Excuse me, it's only one dash. As you can see, it's installed correctly. Okay, let's close this. Next thing to do is to install the Microsoft C++ build tools, which are required to compile certain libraries used in DeepLiveCam. Let's go here and click on Download Build Tools. Let's open it. Continue. Let's wait for it. So here, just check desktop development with C++ and click on install. I already installed it, so I'm gonna skip this part. Finally, if you are using an NVIDIA GPU, you need to install CUDA to optimize performance. If you're not using an NVIDIA GPU or you are running DeepLiveCam on a CPU, you can skip this step. I have an RTX 3080 on my laptop, so I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna click on Windows 64, Windows 11, and local. Once downloaded, let's click on it. Okay, and wait for the installation. Okay, continue. Agree and continue. And next. I understand. Next. And let's install it. Okay, let's click on next. And everything is installed. And close. And that's it for this part. We've installed Chocolatey, Python, Git, FFM, PG, Microsoft C++ build tools, and CUDA if needed. With these tools ready, we're now set to download and configure DeepLiveCam itself. Okay, now next thing to do is to clone the repository. So just click here to copy it. Go to the folder you wish to clone the repository into. For me, this is the folder. So I will just type CMD here and paste. Before that, I will type git clone and hit enter. Great. Now our repo is cloned. So next we have to run setup DeepLiveCam. Here it tells me to choose the GPU acceleration option if applicable. For me, I'm gonna choose CUDA because I have an RTX 3080. So 1. Okay, now that the installation is complete, you'll notice that it has cloned another folder containing all the necessary dependencies for the project. The next step is to go into that folder and download the necessary models into this folder models. So let's go here and download models. So just click on this model, then this one, and copy them in this folder models. And that should conclude the installation. Okay guys, now that the installation is completed, let's proceed with DeepLiveCam. So here we have two choices. Either run it with CPU, just click on run.py here, and you will run it with your CPU or with your GPU. Running it with your GPU is much faster if you have a good GPU card. So I'm gonna run it with my GPU. So I'm gonna open a terminal here and paste this command: Python run.py --execution -provider CUDA, and hit enter. Okay, now we have our software here. The first thing to do is to select a face. So here I chose Elon Musk. I downloaded a picture of him. And then select a target, either a picture or a video. Let's start by testing on a video. So I'm gonna choose a target video. I'm gonna choose this video of RDG. I'm gonna click on Face Enhancer and I'm gonna click on Start. I will put the output here in new folder I created, which is pics, and click on Save and wait for it. Alright, now that the video has been processed, let's check out the result. Let's go to our folder pics and click on output.mp4.
I've been thinking about this recently. If I could talk back to that 17-year-old who was doing regional theater in Rochester, I would say, guess what? It's going to go pretty well. This can be a lot of ups and downs. I'm not going to tell you the specifics because you get too scared, but it turns out in a good place, and it never.
After seeing the result, I'd give this about 5 out of 10. It's pretty obvious that this is a deepfake. But, as the name suggests, DeepLiveCam is much better suited for live deepfakes, which will be the focus of our next test. Let's open it here. For this live test, I'll keep Elon Musk as the source face, and I'll use my own face as the target. This time, I'll turn off the face enhancer to see how it performs in real time. Now let's just click on live. And here you go. As you can see, here is a somewhat, shall we say, poor version of Elon Musk chilling in his room. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new about creating deepfakes. I tried to show you one of the easiest ways to get started with this technology. If you want to integrate this in your webcam feed, you can use a software like OBS Studio. After opening OBS, you'll find an option here. Besides integrated camera, you'll find OBS, which can include the live feed from DeepLiveCam. You can then use it for streaming or even video calls. Thank you for watching.